Today, we're going to talk about how to strengthen your hair and prevent excessive hair loss, not just as a temporary fix, but by addressing the root causes for lasting results. You might wonder if this is truly possible, but it is. Our bodies have incredible abilities that we often don't recognize. I believe many of you know that we possess amazing healing powers. Acupuncture is a method that can awaken these hidden abilities. Unfortunately, most people have not been able to stick to regular treatment due to various obstacles and burdens, which is why issues remain unresolved. But if ongoing treatment is possible, true root cause healing can happen. The method I'll introduce today removes all those burdens. Yet, it is highly effective and comes from Korean traditional Saam acupuncture. I strongly encourage you to try it yourself. This symptom often begins when your hair gradually loses strength, shine, and becomes thinner and easier to pull out, even with just a light touch. Busy lifestyles, stress, poor diet, and excessive styling all contribute to making this problem worse. The scalp naturally supports healthy hair growth, but when the scalp weakens, hair health inevitably declines. As your overall energy in the body decreases, hair becomes dull, thins out, and hair loss accelerates. From a traditional Korean medicine perspective, there are several ways to interpret this symptom. According to the 5 elements theory, the hair and scalp are strongly related to the lungs' energy. When lung energy is lacking or not well circulated, hair loses its shine, becomes rough, and weakens. In terms of the 6 key theory, if there is too much wind, dryness, or heat rising to the head, scalp health suffers, leading to more hair loss or weaker hair. Wind in the body disturbs the smooth flow of energy, while dryness robs hair of moisture and luster, causing roughness. When excessive heat rises to the head, blood flow is disrupted and pores on the scalp can become blocked, weakening hair roots and causing easier hair loss. The 5 elements also say that deficiency in the metal element leads to weak skin and hair, which is closely tied to lung health. The 6 key theory emphasizes wind, dryness, and heat as the main troublemakers. Therefore, thinning and falling hair can be caused by overall body energy, lung power, scalp circulation, and hydration, all working together. To truly revive your hair, you need to take care not just of your scalp, but of your whole body's vitality and support the lungs. Today's recommended treatment uses the lung meridian. The lung meridian is closely connected to hair strength, shine, and health. By stimulating it, you can boost the vitality of your hair and improve scalp circulation. All you need is a simple pen to follow along and do this at home. Now, let me introduce a special self-acupuncture technique using a pen, based on Saam acupuncture, which you'll only find on this channel. The detailed steps are given at the end of the video, so please watch all the way through. If you find the information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with others so we can all be healthy together. When you treat yourself, focus on the side opposite the usual discomfort or pain. If you're not sure which side to choose, you can treat both sides. Try this method for 1 to 2 weeks and you will notice real improvement. If you feel any discomfort after treatment or if it persists, simply do the technique in the reverse way and things will return to normal, so there's nothing to worry about. There are 4 acupuncture points introduced today, but if treating all 4 seems too difficult, just using the first 2 is still effective. If you found this helpful, please remember to subscribe and know that Self-Healing TV will always work hard for your health and well-being.
Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.